We'll proceed to problem 19. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 27 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the side length increasing when the side is 3 centimeter? So first, we'll draw a cube and identify the given in the problem. So it is stated that the rate of increasing the volume of cube is equal to dV over dt is equal to 27 centimeter cube per second, and the side is equal to 3 centimeter. And now we all know that in getting the volume of the cube, the formula is V is equal to S cube. Now we'll differentiate the formula, so we will get the dV over dt is equal to 3s squared ds over dt. Now we'll substitute the given into the formula. So dV over dt will have the 27 centimeter cube per second, 3, and Rs is equal to 3 centimeter, so squared. Then copy the ds over dt, then solve. 27, 3 squared 9, 27 ds over dt. Divide both sides by 27. Then we will get the value of ds over dt as 1 centimeter per second. So here is the final answer, the rate of the side when it is increasing, the 1 centimeter per second. So we'll proceed to problem 20. A balloon is rising vertically at 3 meters per second. A car is driving away at 5 meters per second. When the car is 40 meters from the point under the balloon, how fast is the distance between the car and the balloon changing? So first, we'll draw a right triangle based on the problem. So we'll have the y as the balloon and the x as the car, and the hypotenuse is equal to z. So we will now determine the given in the problem. So we'll have the rate of the car as dx over dt is equal to 5 meter per second, and the rate of balloon is dy over dt is equal to 3 meter per second. Then the given x is equal to 40 and ry is equal to 30, and rz or the hypotenuse is equal to 50. So now, since it is a right triangle, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem. So z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, and we'll differentiate the formula. So it will now be 2z dz over dt is equal to 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt. Now we'll substitute the given. So 2, then we have the z as 50 and dz over dt, copy, and our x as 40 and our dx over dt is equal to 5 plus 2, then our y is equal to 30 and our dy over dt is equal to 3. Then solve 100 dz over dt equal to 400 plus 180 100 dz over dt by 80 divided by 100 we'll get the value of dz over dt as 4.9 meter per second. So we have the rate of the distance of the balloon in the car as 4.9 meter per second. So we'll proceed to the problem 21. A ladder 10 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom slides away at 1 meter per second. How fast is the top sliding down when the bottom is 6 meter from the wall? So we'll draw what is said in the problem. So the ladder we'll assume that the ladder is our hypotenuse as 10 meter and our y is the wall and the x is the ground. So we'll identify the given the problem. It is said that the ladder or our hypotenuse is equal to 10 meter and the rate as dx over dt is equal to 1 meter per second and our x or ground is 6 meter. Then since it's a right triangle, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 10 squared. Now we'll manipulate the formula so that we will get the value of y. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. Then transpose the x as x is equal to 36. Then y, we will get the value of y as 8. Then we'll go back to the Pythagorean theorem, but now we will differentiate the formula. So we will get the value of 2x dx over dt plus 2y as dy over dt. Then we'll equate this into 0. Now we will substitute the given into the formula. So x is equal to 6 and our dx over dt is equal to 1. 2. Then our y is equal to 8 and our dy over dt is our ask. And solve, we'll get dy over dt negative 12. Divide both sides by 16. We will get the value of dy over dt as negative 0.75 meter per second. So we now have the final answer of the rate of y as negative 0.75 meter per second. We'll proceed to problem 22. Find the side length of a square whose perimeter is 36 meter and which has the maximum possible area. So first, we'll draw the square. Then we'll identify the given in the problem. So the only given is the perimeter of the square, which is 36 meter. So we all know, in getting the perimeter of square, the formula is 4s. Then our perimeter, substitute, so 36 is equal to 4s divided by 4, so cancel 4. We will now have the value of s as 9. So now we'll proceed to the area. So we all know, in getting area of the square, we only squared the side. So we now have the area of s squared. So we'll substitute the value s that we solved. So 9 squared will get the value of area as 81. So now we have the final answer of the maximum possible area of a square as 81 centimeter squared. So we'll proceed to problem 23. Each side of a square is increasing at 2 cm per second. How fast is the area increasing when each side is 10 cm? So first we'll draw a square and we'll determine the given in the problem. So the given in the problem is the rate of side is equal to 2 centimeter per second and Rs is equal to 10 centimeter. So now we all know that the area of getting the area of a square is squared. So when we'll differentiate the formula, so we will get the dA over dt is equal to 2s ds over dt. Now we'll substitute the value of the given into the formula. So dA over dt is equal to 2 and Rs is equal to 10 and our ds over dt is equal to 2. Then solve, we will get the value of 40 centimeters squared over s. And here is our final answer on the rate of the area of the square. So we'll proceed to problem 24. An airplane is flying horizontally at 600 km per hour at an altitude of 3 km. How fast is the distance from the plane to an observer on the ground, increasing when the plane is directly 4 km away horizontally? So we'll draw a right triangle that is based on the problem. So we'll have the airplane as y and our x, or y or h, and our hypotenuse is equal to s. So we'll determine the given in the problem. So we'll have the distance horizontally as 4 km and our height, or the altitude of an airplane, is equal to 3 km. And the rate of the x is equal to dx over dt is equal to 600 km per hour. So now, since it is a right triangle, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem. So we'll have the formula of s is equal to x squared plus h squared square root. Then we'll substitute the value of x and h into the formula. So So we'll get the 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to square root of 9. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 squared. Square root is equal to 5. So now, we get the value of S as 5. Then, we'll now solve for the rate of the S. So, we'll use the formula of x over s times dx over dt. And now, we'll substitute the given value into the formula. So, ds over dt is equal to x is equal to 4 and rs is equal to 5. Then our dx over dt is equal to 600. So now solve ds over dt is equal to 4/5 of 600 is equal to 480. Then we will get the final value of the rate of the S as 480 km/h. So now we'll proceed to problem 25. A stone is dropped in water forming circular ripples. The radius increases at 0.5 meter per second. How fast is the area changing when the radius is 2 meter? So first, we'll draw the circle and the radius as 2 meter. Now, we'll identify the given in the problem as S is equal to R rather as 2 meter. And now, in getting the area of a circle, the formula is A is equal to pi r squared. Now, we'll differentiate the formula. So, we'll get the dA over dt is equal to pi r dr over dt. dr over dt is equal to 0.5 meter per second. And now, so we'll substitute the given into the formula. So, dA over dt is equal to 2 pi and our r is 2 and our dr over dt is equal to 0.5. Then now solve, we will get the value of 2 pi meter squared over s, or we will get the value of 6.28 meters squared per second. So now, we now have the final answer of the rate of area as 6.28 meters squared per second. We'll proceed to our next problem. A circle's area is increasing at 5 centimeters squared per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 2 centimeters? So first, we'll draw the problem. So, we'll be drawing a circle that is the radius is 2 centimeters. Then we'll identify the given in the problem. We have the rate of the area as 5 centimeters squared over s and a radius as 2 centimeters. So now we know that the in getting the area of circle, the formula is pi r squared. Then we'll differentiate the formula, so we will get the dA over dt 2 pi r dr over dt. So now we will substitute the given value in the problem into the formula. So dA over dt is equal to 5 and 2 pi and our r is equal to 2, so 2 dr over dt. Then solve, we will have 5 is equal to 4 pi dr over dt. Divide both sides by 4 pi and cancel. We now have the value of dr over dt as 0.4 centimeter per second. So we'll proceed to next problem. A square's area is increasing at 12 centimeters squared per second. How fast is its side length increasing when the side is 6 centimeters? So we'll draw a square as it's based on the problem, and we'll identify the given in the problem. So the rate of the area of the square is equal to 12 centimeters squared per second, and the side length is equal to 6 centimeters. So now we know that in getting the area of the square, the formula is s squared. Then we'll differentiate the formula. We will now get the dA over dt 2s ds over dt. Then we'll now substitute the given value in the problem into the formula. So dA over dt is equal to 12, then equals 2 rs of the value of 6 and our ds over dt. Now solve. 12 ds over dt. Divide both sides by 12. Cancel. Then we will get the value of ds over dt as 1 centimeter per second. So now we'll have the final answer of the rate of the side as 1 centimeter per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The volume of a cube is decreasing at 18 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the side length decreasing when the side is 3 centimeter? So we'll draw the problem. We have the cube, then the given rate of the volume is negative 18 centimeter cube per second. It is negative since it is decreasing. Then our side is 3 centimeter. So now in getting the volume of the cube, we all know that the formula is s cube. Then we'll differentiate the formula. We will now get the dV over dt is equal to 3s squared ds over dt. Then now we'll substitute the given value into the formula. So dV over dt is equal to negative 18, then rs is equal to 3 squared. Then copy the ds over dt. Then now solve. We'll get dV. Divide both sides by 27. Cancel. Then we will get the value of ds over dt as negative 0.67 centimeter per second. We now have the final answer of the rate of side as negative 0.67 centimeter per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The radius of a circle is shrinking at 0.1 meter per second. How fast is the area decreasing when the radius is 10 meter? So we'll draw a circle having a radius of 10 meter. Then the given rate of the radius is equal to 0.1 meter per second. So now, in getting the area of circle, we know that the formula is pi r squared. Then, differentiate the formula, we will now get the dA over dt equals to 2 pi r times dr over dt. So now that we have the value of the given 10 meter, we'll substitute the given value into the formula. So dA over dt, copy, then 2 pi r is equal to 10, then our dr over dt is equal to 0.1. Then solve. We will now get the value of dA over dt of negative 6.28 meters squared over s, since it is decreasing. So now we have the final answer of the rate of the area of the circle as negative 6.28 meters squared per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The radius of a sphere is increasing at 0.5 cm per second. How fast is the volume increasing when radius is equal to 4 cm? So we'll draw the circle having a radius of 4 cm. Then the given rate of the radius is equal to 0.5 cm per second. So now we know that the volume of getting a sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. Then we'll differentiate the formula so that we will get the value of dV over dt is equal to 4 pi r squared times dr over dt. So now we will substitute the value of given into the formula. dV over dt, copy, then 4 pi r as 4, then squared, then our dr over dt is equal to 0.5, then calculate, we'll get the value of 100.53 centimeters squared per second. So now we have the value, the final value of the rate of the volume as 100.53 centimeter cubed per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. A square's mirror side is increasing at 0.2 meter per second. How fast is its area increasing when the side is 15 centimeter? So first, we'll draw the square having the side of 15 centimeter. Then we'll identify the given the problem. It is stated that the rate of the side is equal to 0.2 meter per second. Then well, now in getting the area of the square, the formula is only s squared. Now we'll differentiate the formula, so we'll get the dA over dt is equal to 2s ds over dt. Then we will substitute the given value in the problem into the formula. So dA over dt, copy, 2, then our side is equal to 15, then our ds over dt is equal to 0.2. Now that you have substituted the value, calculate, and you will get the value of 6 centimeters squared per second. So now, we have the final answer of the rate of the area of the square. So we'll proceed to the next problem. A cube surface area is increasing at 72 centimeters squared per minute. How fast is the side length increasing when the side is equal to 6 centimeters? So now, we'll draw the cube and having the side as 6 centimeters. So we have a 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. So now we'll identify what is given in the problem. So it is stated there that the rate of the surface area, so dSA over dt, is equal to 72 centimeters squared per minute. And the side is equal to 6 centimeters. Now, we all know that the formula in getting the surface area of the cube is equal to 6s squared. Now, we will differentiate the formula so that we can get the dSA over dt is equal to 12s ds over dt. Now that we have the formula, we can substitute the given value in the problem. So dSA over dt is equal to 72, then copy 12, Rs is equal to 6, and copy the ds over dt. Now, solve the formula, then you can get the value of, divide both sides by 72, cancel, you will come up with the value of ds over dt by 1 centimeter per second. So now we have the final answer of the rate of the side as 1 centimeter per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The height of a cylinder is increasing at 2 cm per second, and the radius stays constant at 5 cm. How fast is the volume increasing? So, we'll draw what is stated in the problem, having a cylinder that the radius is 5 cm. So, it is stated there that at given rate of the height is equal to 2 cm per second, and our radius is equal to 5 cm, having the constant rate of 0. So now that we have determined the given, we can proceed to the formula. So we all know that the formula of getting the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r squared times height. Then differentiate the formula so that you can get the dV over dt is equal to pi r squared dH over dt. Now, we'll substitute the given value that is stated in the problem. So dV over dt, copy, and pi, or r is equal to 5 squared, and dH over dt is equal to 2. So, then you will come up with the value of 157.08 centimeter cube per second. So now we have the final answer of the rate of the volume of the cylinder, having a rate of 157.08 centimeter cube per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The side of a cube is increasing at 1 centimeter per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when side is equal to 4 centimeter? So we'll draw the cube having a side of the side of 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter. And now, determining the given of in the problem, we have the rate of the side as 1 centimeter per second. Side is equal to 4. Now, in getting the surface area of the cube, we know that the formula is 6s squared. Then, differentiating the formula, we will get the dSA over dt is equal to 12 s ds over dt. Now that we have now that we differentiate the formula, we can substitute the given into the formula. So, copy the dSA over dt, 12, then our side is equal to 4, and our ds over dt is equal to 1. Now solve, you will get the value of 48 centimeters squared per second. So now, we have the final answer of the rate of the surface area having the rate of 48 centimeters squared per second. We'll proceed to the next problem. A cone has a height increasing at 1 centimeter per second, while the radius remains constant at 2 centimeter. How fast is the volume increasing when the height is equal to 9 centimeter? So we'll draw the cone having the height of 9 centimeter, and our radius is equal to 2 centimeter. So it is stated that the given there that the rate of the height is equal to 1 centimeter per second. So now that we have the values, the given values on the problem, we can proceed to the formula of getting the volume of the cone. So V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Then differentiating the formula, we will come up to the value of dV over dt is equal to 1/3 pi r squared dh over dt. Then substituting the given value in the problem, so dV over dt, copy only, then 1/3 pi, then our r is equal to 2 centimeter, 2 squared, our dh over dt is equal to 1 centimeter, 1, then solve dV over dt equal to, we will come up to the value of 1.33 centimeter cube per second. So now we have the final value of the rate of the cone having a rate of 1.33 centimeter cube per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. The base of a triangle is increasing at 3 centimeter per second, and the height is fixed at 5 centimeter. How fast is the area increasing? So we'll draw the triangle having the height of 5 centimeter, and the given that is stated there in the problem, the rate of the base, which is dV over dt, is equal to 3 centimeter per second. So now that we have the given values stated in the problem, we can proceed to the formula. So in getting the area of the triangle, we know that the formula is equal to 1/2 times BH. So differentiating the formula, so we will have dA over dt is equal to 1/2 H dB over dt. So now, we will substitute the given values into the formula. So, dA over dt is equal to 1/2. Substitute the height, which is 5. And our dB over dt is equal to 3. So, compute. And you will get the value of 7.5 centimeters squared per second. So now, we have the final value of the rate of the area, which is 7.5 centimeters squared per second. So we'll proceed to the next problem. A circle's area is increasing at 7 meters squared per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 4 meters? So we'll draw the circle having a radius of 4 meters. Then it is stated in the problem that the rate of the area of the circle, which is the dA over dt, is equal to 7 meters squared per second. And our radius is equal to 4 meters. So now, we know that in getting the area of circle, the formula is equal to pi r squared. So, differentiating the formula, so we can get the dA over dt is equal to 2 pi r then times dr over dt. So now that we differentiated the formula, we can substitute the given values in the problem. So dA over dt is equal to 7. Then 2 pi, copy, then the value of r is equal to 4, and copy the dr over dt. So solve, you can get the 7, 2 pi is equal to 8 pi dr over dt, then divide both sides by 8 pi so that we can cancel, and dr over dt will remain. So calculate, and you can get the value of the dr over dt as 0.28 meter per second. So now we have the final value of the rate of the radius having a value of 0.28 meter per second.